30BG leave Cho and stream. Leave Mona leave Cho Mona stream. Iku featuring Davido and Mavo Galorizi has been out. That song is still not number one yet. It's literally a crime for Davido to be featured on a song and that song don't get to number one. E no make sense. E no normal. E no sharp. 30BG we no active again. What's going on? What's the issue? Look at the song with King Promise the other day. Okay, we let that one slide based on not be the kind of song we want with the chop for this year. What is going on? We need to be streaming. For an artist as big as Davido, if person put am for a song, he suppose knack no, he suppose chop number one. Are you guys even streaming at all? No be to dey make mouth online una dey stream. No be every time we come here call dey defend o. 30BG, what are we doing? Wetin dey go on? What's going on? All the 30BG members comment under this post. What's going on?